Hi my beauties, my name is Jan Benham, cosmetic formulator for Purèz Cosmetics. In this video we're focusing on the creation of nice soft classic eye makeup that can be used on any woman from the age of 20 to 80 or more. These looks are meant to bring out the woman's natural beauty and unique features. These videos are completely filter free, celebrating authenticity and individuality. So let the magic begin.
First up is Ivana. So we started by applying the casual brown eye pencil just underneath the eyes and to the outer edge of the eyes, and then we blended it over with a blending brush, bringing it over the top of the crease. We then used the lilac eyeshadow again in the crease line and blended it into the casual pencil. And then we applied the orange eyeshadow to the center of the eyelid. We then used a little bit of nude just to combine everything in just above, underneath the eyebrow. And then finally, we added a touch of silver white highlighter just underneath the eyebrows in the inner corner of the eyelid. And then we blended it really well together and we finished up with a touch of mascara. The orange really makes blue eyes pop, as you can see here. Next up is Hera. She was wearing glasses, so we really wanted to bring the eyes out here. We always start off by moisturizing the skin first, and then we apply a primer, a cream primer to the eyelid in order to make the mineral eyeshadow stick to the eyelid. So we used here the lilac primer cream eyeshadow. And then we decided to fill in the eyebrows with the taupe eyebrow pencil. The taupe eyebrow pencil is suitable for people with light brown hair or even grey hair, and it looks very natural, and it doesn't, if you do make a mistake, it doesn't show. We then applied the brown casual eye pencil. Now this brown casual eye pencil is very creamy, so it blends really, really well, and you can just apply it, you don't have to be exact, and then you can use a blending brush to blend it all together in the outer part of the eye and then sweep it over just above the crease line. Layering is key here. We then apply the casual pencil to just underneath the eye as well, and then again blended it very well. The brown makes blue eyes pop. Then again, we use the lilac eyeshadow to go to the outer part of the eyes and again across the crease line. And then we used a copper eyeshadow in the center of the eyelid. And then the nude underneath the eyebrow. We then finished off with a touch of gold glitter right in the center of the eyelid, which really helped to bring out the color of Hera's beautiful blue eyes. And here comes Cara. And here again, we're adding the primer to the eyelid. Again, the lilac color. And again, we used the brown casual eye pencil just as an eyeliner and also winged it out. And then blended it in creating a smoky eye look. Because Cara has brown eyes, we decided to use purple and gold eyeshadows here. So we used the deep purple eyeshadow to the outer area of the eyelid and again brought it across the crease line. And then we applied gold eyeshadow on the inside and on the lid. We also then decided to add a little bit of the black eyeliner as an eyeliner, winging it out slightly. And also did it a little bit underneath the eyes as well. This is a twist up retro eye pencil. Then we blend it again to create that smoky eye look. We then applied a little bit of the silver white highlighter just underneath the eyebrows and on the inner corner of the eyelid. And then I usually use my fingers to blend here. Stunning look. Really made her brown eyes come out. And then we have Sandra. With Sandra again, we applied the primer. And then I used the taupe eyebrow pencil just to fill in the eyebrows. And again, we use the casual pencil. Now you could use the brown eyeliner powder, but if people are starting out, it's always best to use the pencil first until you've got handled the how to use it. After that, then you can use the brown eyeliner powder. I use the brown eyeliner powder myself, but for most people, it's easier to use the pencil, and it blends really, really well. Again, we added a little touch of the lilac eyeshadow and the copper eyeshadow on the eyelid. It's pretty well a good universal look for both brown and blue eyes. And then we used a little bit of the nude just underneath the eyebrow. A very nice, simple, stunning look. Classic. And we finished again with a little bit of the silver white underneath the eyebrow and in the inner corner of the eye. The result was a nice, natural, glowing look. Today we explored timeless eye looks using 100% natural mineral makeup, celebrating authenticity and individuality at every age. These transformations highlight the beauty of enhancing your natural features. For more tips, tutorials, and products, please visit purèz.nl. Until next time, stay beautiful.